Your question is the democracy of India is based on the fact that your options are A. The constitution is written, B. Fundamental rights have been provided, C. Public enjoys the rights to choose and change the government, or D. Directive principles of state policy have been provided here. Right answer is C. Public enjoys the rights to choose and change the government. Your question is which one of the following determines that Indian constitution is federal? Your options are A. Written and non-flexible constitution, B. Free judiciary, C. Residuary powers are vested in center or union, or D. Distribution of powers between union and states. Right answer is D. Distribution of powers between union and states. Your question is the parliamentary form of government was first introduced in which country? Your options are A. Great Britain UK, B. Belgium, C. France, or D. Switzerland. Right answer is A. Great Britain UK. Your question is Indian constitution is, your options are A. Rigid, B. Flexible, C. Neither rigid nor flexible, or D. Partly rigid and partly flexible. Right answer is D. Partly rigid and partly flexible. Your question is which one of the following statements is correct regarding parliamentary form of government? Your options are A. The legislature is responsible to judiciary, B. The legislature is responsible to executive, C. The legislature and the executive are independent, D. The president is responsible to judiciary, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is which one of the following points differentiates the Indian parliamentary system and British parliamentary system? Your options are A. Collective responsibility, B. Judicial review, C. Bicameral legislature, or D. Real and nominal executive. Right answer is B. Judicial review. Your question is consider the following statements and select the correct answer from the code given at the end. Assertion A. The Constitution of India provides for a federal system. Reason R. It has created a very strong center. Quote. Your options are A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true and R is false, or D. A is false, R is true. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is which of the following is not a federal feature of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Distribution of power between center and states, B. Entirely written constitution, C. Single citizenship, or D. Independent judiciary. Right answer is C. Single citizenship. Question is the central and state governments get authority from. Your options are A. Indian Constitution, B. President of India, C. Prime Minister of India, or D. Indian Parliament. Right answer is A. Indian Constitution. Your question is India is a republic, which implies that. Your options are A. The head of the state is elected, B. The country is free, C. The country possesses a democratic system of government, or D. The final authority in the country is rests with the parliament. Right answer is A. The head of the state is elected. Your question is assertion A. Federalism is not practical in India. Reason R. India is not a federal state. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false, or D. A is false but R is true. Right answer is C. A is true but R is false. Your question is what is the nature of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Federal, B. Unitary, C. Parliamentary, D. Federal in nature but unitary in spirit, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is D. Federal in nature but unitary in spirit. Your question is assertion A. Indian Constitution is quasi-federal. Reason R. Indian Constitution is neither federal nor unitary. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. Or D. A is false but R is true. Right answer is A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Your question is who called the Indian federalism as the cooperative federalism? Your options are A. G. Austin, B. K.C. Ware, C. Sir Ivor Jennings or D. D.D. Basu. Right answer is A. G. Austin. Your question is who rejected the principles of administration as myths and proverbs? Your options are A. Herbert Simon, B. Dwight Waldo, C. Frank Marini or D. F. W. Riggs. Right answer is A. Herbert Simon. Your question is who said India is a quasi-federal state? Your options are A. Harold Lasky, B. Ivor Jennings, C. Lord Bryce or D. K.C. Ware. Right answer is D. K.C. Ware. Your question is in relation to Indian Constitution who said that Indian Constitution establishes good balance between rigidity and flexibility. Your options are A. B. R. Ambedkar, B. M. P. Piley, C. Alexandrovics or D. K.C. Ware. Right answer is D. K.C. Ware. Your question is who of the following has stated that the constitution has not been set in a tight mold of federalism? Your options are A. D.D. Basu, B. K. M. Munshi, C. B. R. Ambedkar or D. K.S. Iyer. Right answer is C. B. R. Ambedkar. Your question is which one of the following is not true in relation to democratic determination? Your options are A. A state in which people are supreme, B. Supreme power is vested in a elected head, C. Supreme power is vested in a person solely, likewise a king, or D. A government formed by representative elected by people. Right answer is C. Supreme power is vested in a people solely, likewise a king. Your question is which one of the following is incorrect about the Indian political system? Your options are A. Secular state, B. Parliamentary system of the government, C. Federal policy or D. Presidential system of the government. Right answer is D. Presidential system of the government. Your question is consider the following statements. A constitutional government is one which, first, places effective restrictions on individual liberty in the interest of the state authority, second, places effective restrictions on the authority of the state in the interest of individual liberty. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. One only, B. Two only, C. Both one and two, or D. Neither one nor two. Right answer is B. Two only. Places effective restrictions on the authority of the state in the interest of individual liberty. Your question is in the context of India, which one of the following is the characteristic appropriate for bureaucracy? Your options are A. An agency for widening the scope of parliamentary democracy, B. An agency for strengthening the structure of federalism, C. An agency for facilitating political stability and economic growth, or D. An agency for the implementation of public policy. Right answer is D. An agency for the implementation of public policy. Your question is a constitutional government by definition is a. Your options are A. Government by legislature, B. Popular government, C. Multi-party government or D. Limited government. Right answer is D. Limited government.